80s. This is an 86?
85.
85? 85 SS. We got that motherfucker on there. Now it's time to strap it up. Now stay tuned, man. Yeah, YouTube, what it do, baby? I'm J King, and this is the first video on my 1985 Monte Carlo SS build series.
Wow.
Now, couple things y'all gonna notice in the video. One, y'all gonna hear me say we a lot when I'm talking about myself, because I feel like I got a team already, so just roll with it. Two, I'm gonna show y'all around the car, man. It's gonna be a couple outfit changes because I did this across a couple different days. But let me just show y'all what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna stop talking and get to the video, man. Y'all enjoy. A lot of big stuff to come. We putting together the 86 Monte Carlo SS with the T-tops. We on the way to get that. We had to get the storage unit, and then we got the truck so we could pull that motherfucker. So step 2 is getting the trailer. Let me show y'all. Had to turn the flashers on. Flashes are on the truck. They working on here.
Yep.
All right, flashes working on here. Cool.
So basically just basic pulling this. Just at the same time.
Okay, that lets it loose.
That lets it loose. So normally what I do is
Take it all the way out. So this is her 1985 Monte Carlo SS. Black on gray. The interior is gray, but we're gonna get to the interior in a minute. But she's in pretty decent condition, man. The front clip is in excellent condition. We probably gonna change them headlights out, but that's cosmetic, that's later. We got the little reflectors on the side. Probably gonna change the wheels out, but tires are good. Body's in great condition. We got a couple cosmetic issues on the side, but we here. We here, you see it. All right, so let's take a look at the inside, right? Oh, did I mention we got the T-top? Yeah. So take a look at the inside. You know, the gauges don't work yet, but I think we're gonna go Dakota Digital. These gauges, the oil pressure does work, but I gotta wire up the temp sensor. Floor shifter, come on now. We got a radio wired up, but the sound doesn't work, so I got to figure out how to wire that. Couple trim pieces we got to replace. Door handles, but the doors work, they open. Look at this trim, amazing condition. Back seat, clean. She clean. I'm gonna show y'all how we get down, man. I just wanted to show y'all the walkthrough, man. T-top motherfucker, man. Shout out my boy Alex, man. He the one that sold it to me, man. Oh, I gotta show y'all under the hood. Little 305 under the hood. Edelbrock carburetor. You know how it go. I think it's a 200R transmission. But we got new heads. The carb look like it's a little old, but it works. She cranks up. Yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm in the unit today. It's freezing outside. It's like 30 degrees. And I just want to check out a couple things under the hood. So one, we need to check out what's up with that power steering to see if we can get that thing driving. And two, I want to see if I can locate the freeze plug on the back of the motor because it's leaking coolant. So those are the two things I'm going to just try to diagnose today. I might put the belt on the power steering pump if I can get to it. Let me show y'all. All right, so I got my little workshop set up. I'm gonna try to get this power steering pump belted up. So there's a belt that needs to go across the power steering pump to the crankshaft pulley right there. But in order to get to that crankshaft pulley, I got to remove this serpentine belt right here. And in order to remove that, I'm probably going to have to loosen up this AC compressor bolt right here. It's probably going to slide this way to relieve the tension, and then I can get this belt off. And once I get the belt off, I can slide the new belt right there on. So I'm gonna try to get an angle so y'all can see me doing it. If not, I'll just come back when I got the belt on. All right, so boom. Y'all see the new belt, got the belt on, got some power steering fluid in the power steering pump. And I got I was calling this bitch the AC. This is the alternator the whole time right here. This is the alternator. So got the alternator back on. I just hope that I put enough tension on these belts so they don't slip off, but we gonna see. I'm about to crank it up and y'all gonna see how we coming. We're gonna let her warm up. We're gonna go get the gas. And it's cold as fuck outside, but she running. Before I pull this motor out, I'm gonna swap that 305 out for a LS. You see she running. All right, y'all, we made it to the gas station. And we're gonna fill her up for the first time. Well, check her out though, she looking good. Lights, camera action.